Mr. Vivek Dhamale, hearty congratulations on securing All India rank 2 in mechanical engineering branch in GATE 2022. Vivek, it is very proud moment for all of us, right? Vivek, what type of coaching program that you have availed from our ACE Engineering Academy?
Actually, I was a part of weekend classroom coaching program at Pune branch for like last year for 2021.
Acha, you have taken from our Pune branch the weekend classroom coaching.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, very good, very good. So our Pune branch is very proud of you, Mr. Vivek. You deserve all the right appreciation. See, All India rank is #2 in mechanical engineering means something very great achievement. Vivek, when did you pass out and which college are you from?
I'm from Vishwakarma Institute of Technology, Pune. It is an autonomous institute.
Okay. When did you pass out?
I passed out in 2021.
2021. Okay, right. Very good. Vivek, can you tell us the secret behind your success? Or else you can tell in a what you call detailed manner, because many aspirants of GATE examination, whenever they see this video, they should get some useful information, so they will also crack the GATE examination like you, right? So please tell us how you used to carry out the GATE preparation systematically, like how many hours you used to study, right? So how we have prepared that short notes in detail about your methodology of preparation for this GATE examination. Please go ahead.
Actually, my notes for most of the subjects was I done that only in the last year. So this year it was more about the practice. So I use like our booklet, bits and bytes, or previous year questions in more detail. So practicing that helped. Previously, last year I used to make like time-based study, like 4 to 5 hours I have to study daily. But this time I focused on a target-based study, deciding what targets I have to achieve on the daily basis and following that schedule as well.
Okay, Vivek, did you appear the GATE examination last year?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what was your rank last year?
It was about around 2035.
2035 means 2000 nearly, right?
Yes.
Oh, it's a great, remarkable achievement this year. All India second rank means, see, from 2000 rank last year, now this time All India second rank means something very remarkable. Can you please share with us how you have modified your preparation style compared to last year and this year that made you to secure this All India second rank this time?
Yes. I made a few mistakes last year. I attempted very less test series, and along with that, I didn't take care of my health in the last 2 months. So last 2 months, like December, January, are very important for preparation. So I focused on that and attempted multiple test series this year. So more and more practice helped me improving myself.
Acha, right. What we understand is compared to last year, this year you focus more on the practice and then test series, right?
Yes.
And also you said something positively about our bits and bytes and the previous questions and answers, the solutions and all. Okay,
Yes,
very good.
Bits and Bytes it's a really great book. When we see like questions in the GATE, they are completely new, and Bits and Bytes is like perfect book for that.
Yeah, we have prepared the Bits and Bytes booklet in our ACE Academy by compiling different what you call model questions which are appropriate for this GATE examination as well as other examination. That is helping a lot the students community. Right, very good. Vivek, this year you are totally free. You have earmarked entire time for this GATE preparation only, right? So per day, on an average, how many hours you used to prepare? Approximately
8 to 10 hours.
8 to 10 hours, right? Good, consistently. Okay. This 8 to 10 hours of preparation daily. So how you used to give the breaks in your study? Will you used to how you used to give the breaks in your study?
Mostly I used to start like at 8 a.m.
Morning
and
8 o'clock. Okay.
yes, and used to go for like 2 to 3 hours of sitting continuous. And after that, I used to take a break like half an hour or for an hour for
Hmm.
like lunch and all that. And again, I used to sit like up to 5 to 6. Uh, then again, I used to take some break or used to go for walk or some little entertainment. And again, remaining part I used to do at the night.
Okay, right, good. So
So,
in the break means okay, lunch break. Okay, that you can leave it after lunch when you start preparation again. Because why I'm asking the particular question is, see, studying continuously for months together, exclusion of one particular gate exam means you require a lot of dedication, motivation, right?
yes,
Something. So that is possible only if you have something what you call some sort of relaxation also at the same time.
yes.
So whenever you give break in your studies, right, after a couple of hours or like that. So how you used to relax in that break time?
So in the like afternoon, I used to take naps. I also like to used to watch YouTube videos uh,
Okay,
or movies.
okay, that is how you used to take that relaxation time. Okay, good. One more thing, Vivek. Uh, have you prepared continuously the same subject, single subject, otherwise multiple subjects a daily?
Multiple subjects.
For multiple means how many subjects a daily? Two, three,
Two,
like that.
two, two, two subjects. Mostly, I used to like. There are different parts like solid mechanics parts, thermal fluid part, and production industrial engineering part. So I used to take like complementary subjects.
Hmm.
One subject I used to learn new concepts or mostly whatever theory I have to read, and in the another part I used to solve the questions of the complementary subject.
Okay, good. Okay. What kind of material that you have followed for your studies, right? I think Yes Academy might have given you the what you call the booklets for you for each subject. We have volume one, volume
Yeah,
two,
volume
bits
one and
and
volume two. Yes.
bits and bytes, and then previous gates, question bank, and as well as the solutions and all. So how you have used this all in your preparation?
Uh, After solving for the first time questions from volume 1, volume 2, and bits and bytes, I used to mark the question which are difficult or I am facing difficulty with. And after doing that, for further revisions, I used to focus only on these type of question which I have faced difficult. So it actually helped.
Okay, right. Okay. And apart from the classroom coaching notes, etc., did you prepare anything from your side, any short notes, micro notes as such additionally?
Yes. For like few subjects, I have prepared short notes.
Hmm.
But in the short notes, I have not tried like including everything. The like topics which I face difficulty or like some interesting question, conceptual based question, if I find it anywhere or any test series, I used to include that particular thing in my short notes so that it will be helpful in last few days of preparation.
Okay, for revision purpose, it will be very useful, isn't it? Right.
Yes.
So nice, Mr. Vivek. You said that you didn't prepare the short notes for all the subjects. That's fine. So for what type of subjects you have prepared the short notes?
Mostly thermodynamics, uh, fluid mechanics, and strength of material. For the production and mathematics, I haven't prepared any short notes. I used to like formulas. I had remembered all formulas,
Hmm.
so it was not problem particularly with the production and mathematics.
Mhm. Okay, wherever formula or more, you didn't prepare any short notes. Is it correct?
No, no. The subjects I am most comfortable with, like
Yeah, okay, right.
because of 2021 preparation.
Okay, because we had preparation last year also, you had good command over certain subjects. For that, you didn't prepare any short notes.
Yes.
Wherever you are somewhat, what you call, not so comfortable, where you prepared short notes, you have strengthened your area of preparation. Is it?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, good. Vivek, right, daily you used to study 8 to 10 hours of time, right? Multiple subjects, you said, very good. See, in this last year preparation, in which month did you complete your entire preparation? From which month you started taking the test series seriously?
Yes. In the October
Approximately.
month, yeah, in the October month, in the November month, I was able to complete reading entire syllabus
Okay.
and learning all the concepts. From the November, first I started attending test series uh, with a gap of 3 days between two test series, full length test series mainly. So I had attempted nearly 10 tests, full length test series only in the November month. And post that, I took 20 days gap to analyze all the test series and improve my short notes according to that.
Okay. Mm.
And observing in which area I am doing the mistakes, or also I made another notebook particularly for the test series to
Okay.
include the silly mistake I am making or the kind of mistake I am making.
Mm.
And after again 21st to 2 to 3 February, I attempted a 3 to 4 full length test series, and I was able to observe improvement in those tests. So it boosted my confidence, and after that again I only read the my short notes until
Okay.
it.
Okay, Vivek, that's fine. You said you focus more on the full-length mock tests, isn't it? But in
Yes,
our ACE Academy online test series, if you see that, we have many full-length mock tests as well as a subject-based tests
subject
also
wise.
there. Uh,
Yes.
did you not attempt those subject-based tests individually?
Yeah, I have attempted, but before November, when I was preparing each and each subject. So as soon as I used to cover that, I used to attempt those tests.
So till November, as and when you read some content, on that content, you used to take some examination from the test series, isn't it?
Yes, yes,
Okay. So because the syllabus was done by November month, from that onwards, so you started using what you call full-length tests.
yes,
Okay. So I think this will be a what you call a good strategy for the aspirants to follow, because many students ask this doubt. Sir, in your test series, there are so many tests are there, subject-based tests are there, 2, 3 combinations also there, and full-length mock, full-length tests also there. So yeah, what to take, how to take, and all this. So I think this will help us, those students. Good. One more, Vivek, in our test series, where you used to stand? What was your approximate rank in our test series?
yeah.
Full-length mock test series.
It used to vary. Sometimes I was under rank 50 also, or even sometimes ahead of 100 also. But
Hmm.
it used to be always a good rank, so
Hmm.
I had confidence in that.
So whenever you stand good in that test series, that gives you good confidence also, right?
Yes, actually, I observed particular pattern. Like when the test series used to be very difficult on the conceptual basis, I used to score a good rank. But when question used to be very easy, I used to commit a lot of silly mistakes. So that
Hmm.
particular pattern I had observed. So and I focused on improving the on silly mistakes in the next 20 days in January.
Okay, good. Uh, Vivek, what is your comment on our classroom coaching or material and the test series? How to
Yeah,
what extent it helped you?
classroom coaching really helped me in improving my concepts. Like at our time, it was like pre-COVID time.
Okay,
So I was able to attend for few subjects classroom perfect classroom coaching,
okay,
and after COVID it got shifted to online mode of learning. So both were great, and the faculties at the ACE are really good.
good. Okay. And you said that after COVID, you had to take some classes online.
Yes,
What was your observation as the differences are concerned between the classroom coaching and the online coaching?
yes,
Did you find any difference there?
yes. If
What difference did you
if I
notice?
talk particular about classroom coaching, offline coaching,
Mm.
you can feel like environment, or like there are no stress like sitting in front of screen and all that in offline coaching. But
Okay.
online coaching has its own advantages, like you can attend classes in your own time, or if you miss live class you can see recorded videos.
Mm.
So both the things are good if you are self disciplined. Then online kind of coaching can provide you great success because you can attend that it at your own time. But classroom coaching can give you feel of studying.
Okay, you mean to say that if you are not so self-determined, not so focused, better to join classroom coaching, because when you see the peer students there, right? Peer
Yes,
students and the competition, you get automatically some sort of
right.
drive there,
Motivation.
right? Okay. Okay, I think sometimes combination also will work out to be a good one.
Yes.
Okay, good, right? See, one more, Vivek. See, when you want to make such a long preparation of more than 1 year sitting at home, certainly definitely it will cause some sort of boredom, etc. So, in your lengthy preparation schedules, have you ever faced any sort of frustration, any sort of what you call demotivation, anything as such?
Yes, multiple times.
Multiple times. Then, how could you cope up those situations?
I used to talk up with friends or families. I also had a good study group who was like preparing with me. So talking with them always helped.
Mm.
Uh, I used to watch like movies, motivational movies, or previous year toppers videos during those times to motivate myself.
Okay. So, you mean to say that previous toppers videos could motivate you to some extent, right?
Yes.
Okay, I think your entry also is going to be a good motivation for the many future aspirants. Vivek, let us hope. Very good,
Yeah.
Vivek. See, in your mechanical engineering, there are so many subjects, right?
Yes.
So many subjects. Okay. You tell. Did you cover the entire syllabus, or did you go selectively?
So apart from material science, I was able to complete all the syllabus till November. But for the material science, I followed strategy that as soon as I started attempting test series, and I used to get question from material science. I particularly used to revise those topics on daily basis. Like for December and January, I used to do some small part of material science daily. So that helped me in covering that subject in those 2 months. But
Mm.
for all the apart from that, all the subjects I covered entirely.
Right, right. Okay. And one more thing, Mr. Vivek, revision, how you used to carry out. Many students ask this particular doubt, how to carry out the revision, something like that. So, at what frequency you used to carry out the revision? We have revision schedules like daily revisions, weekly, monthly, like that. Did you plan anything specifically as such?
Uh, I went off doing like subjects as I have told earlier, two subjects at a time. So when I started my revision, I had nearly revised each and every subject for 2 to 3 times up to get exam. So first revision, if I remember correctly, it was reading complete theory, entire theory. But in the second and third revision, I used to mostly go for the questions I was not able to solve or the topics which was difficult for me. So I focused on those topics more in my second and third revision.
Mhm. Right, good. Okay. Vivek, in the last 1 week of your GATE examination preparation, let us say February first week or so, 1 week before the actual examination, definitely you become very nervous, obviously being human,
Yeah.
right? Did you ever face that situation? Otherwise,
Yes,
how you could
definitely.
carry out that last 1 week preparation? You tell us those points. How
In the
could you
last,
handle that one last 1 week?
yes, in the last 1 week, I was only reading my short notes. Yes, it was a little tension because of exam pressure in the last 1 week. But 3 weeks, 3 days before the prior before the exam, I stopped reading anything like every short notes and all that. And also, I had to travel to some different location for giving exam. So
Okay,
when I went there, like both the days before the exam, I haven't read anything and also slept on time.
good.
So and I was talking with friends and when I went there over there, so I was not taking any big that helped me in not taking any stress, particularly for the exam.
Good, good, right. Okay, you tell us your experience on the day of examination in the 3 hours of time. How could you plan the answering the questions?
Yes.
Did you go in a
I,
sequential manner? Otherwise, anything attempting first one 2 marks question, then 1 mark, or else what was your strategy on in the examination?
yeah, I went on attempting complete the question on sequential manner. But when I used to give test series, my plan used to be like covering first go through the paper 20 minutes prior to the time, 20 minutes before completing 3 hours. So, but when I started attempting actual paper, it was tough this time. Questions was quite conceptual in mechanical. So I realized that I won't be able to get like second or third second IT questions as per my test series. So I tried solving each and every question 2 times while attempting. So if I used to commit any silly mistake at the time of exam, I was able to correct it only at that time. So it was complete in one sequential go. And I remember when I marked 60, like last question, 65th question, I was it was about 3 to 4 minutes remaining.
Remaining. So you could complete all the questions within the given time comfortably.
Yes.
Okay, right. So you didn't feel any sort of nervousness in the examination hall, right?
Yeah, I was facing it because the paper was tough this year. But I thought that if it is difficult for me, it will be difficult for everyone. So,
very good. Right. That is a good point. Right? After all, the GATE exam is relative.
yes.
Easy for you means easy for everyone. Tough for you means tough for everyone. This is what the students have to observe it. Just because there are a few questions that are tough to them, they should not get discouraged there.
Yes.
It's a relative exam, relative examination. That point you have to keep in mind. Okay, Vivek, very good. You have shared with us many useful points. I think many aspirants will get a lot of benefit out of this particular interview. And finally, tell us what is your message to the aspirants of the GATE examination in mechanical engineering, particularly. What is your suggestion?
Yes. Focus on goal, whatever goal you decide through this exam, and whenever the negativity or any stress comes out, just focus on that. Talk to friends. It will always help. And believe in yourself. Believe on process, not on end results. Believe in your process. It will help.
Right. So right, Gita says, right, do your work, right? Leave the result to the Almighty. Almighty will decide, right?
Yes.
Very good, Vivek. So you have got such a wonderful rank, All India #2. What are you going to do with this GATE result? Are you going to join MTech or any idea of joining PSU?
Right now there are like many opportunities, PSU also, and there are few higher education opportunities also. So whatever I am applying for all, whatever is the best, I will choose that.
So you have not made up your mind still, right?
Yeah.
Whether you want to go for MTech or PSU job, because both you can get easily. Whatever you want, you can get now.
Yes. Like there is a priority.
What do you want to choose?
There is a priority list always. So I haven't made up my mind. That's correct, but there is a priority list. I will choose accordingly from that.
Right. Very good, Vivek. Right. I once again congratulate you on behalf of Facing Academy, and certainly this interview will help us. We will help many aspirants of the GATE examination. So we wish you all good luck in all your future endeavors, and congratulations once again. Thank you. Thank you for sharing your views with us. All the best. God bless you, Vivek. God bless you.